because when you see her, she exudes confidence, and I can say that she's aging gracefully. But let me give you just a brief background of who she is. So, she's a Christ centered motivational speaker, a leadership development coach, an entrepreneur, and the owner of Radiance Image Consultancy. She's a high school friend, and kahit hindi na high school friends pa rin kami, and she's very close to my heart. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Tony Miranda. Hi, Tony.
Hi, Jude. I'm happy to be
Well,
here.
thank you for being my first guest, very first guest.
Oh,
Ako lang talaga ang nasabi ko.
it's an honor and privilege, and also scary, no, and nervous.
So, pareho tayong ninervous eh.
I know,
Okay.
right? Dahil doon green tayo pareho. So,
We're both wearing green. Incidentally, hindi namin pinag-usapan yan. Okay, so anyway, so I know you're very busy, so we'll just get into the meat of the episode. So I know you as a banker, okay, and a businesswoman, but what inspired you to become an image consultant?
very, very good question. Pang Miss Universe yan. Sis. Yeah, I was a banker, and bakit bigla ako naging image consultant? In fact, bago ako naging image consultant, naging businesswoman pa, no, entrepreneur.
Yeah.
I think the early part of being a middle age. Noon kasi hindi natin alam kung anong middle, no? 40 years old ba? 50?
Correct.
So I was on the probably initial stage of the middle age where I was searching, or maybe in a journey to find a career that would allow me not to just create a meaningful impact. While I wanted not just an impact, I also wanted for myself to still look great. Kasi I've seen women creating an impact but not really looking great. And that time, I'm thinking na no matter what story I had, or maybe women have, we can still look great. Combine both, no, look great and create an impact. Until I discovered that there is such thing as image consultant. It was really my husband who suggested, kasi I went through a crossroad hanggang sa that crossroad led me to a conversation with my husband na sabi niya, you know what, sa bank, we have this training on personality development, professional image, and he mentioned a name, and I searched for that name hanggang sa nakita ko ang title niya is image consultant. So there, I discovered that being an image consultant could help not just me. Siyempre, noong una, ang motive ko lang is ako lang, self-centered, di ba? Ako lang yung magigain dito. Until I discovered it can do more, not just for me, but for others. So, I discovered too, which attracted me really to pursue that it can develop the best versions of ourselves, regardless of age. Yun na nagustuhan ko doon. Ano pa?
Yeah.
And it's both, yung best version is both inside and out. So it's a role that perfectly combines personal, professional, without taking us away from the original us.
Yeah, the original, how we were created by God, of course. Okay, so we'll go into the other aspects of confidence and you bettering of ourselves later. So at this age, at what does our age? But what does aging gracefully mean to you? And why do you think it's important for middle-aged women like us na i-embrace tong concept ng aging gracefully?
Sige. So, I'll take that word embrace, no? So, aging gracefully is all about embracing who we are now, yung now, and at the same time, looking ahead to who you want to become. Very, very important na both angle or both side ang kino-combine natin. Otherwise, hindi siya magiging gracefully. So, it involves gaining clarity on yung now, no? Gaining clarity on identity, ano pa, yung uniqueness mo that doesn't change with age. And then, ano pa, we need to develop the higher level of confidence, yung extraordinary level, so that even the basics, no, mamahalin natin. Kasi sometimes we lose track of the basics. about us, the basics about us. Ano pa ang because you also look forward or looking forward to who you want to become, you will plan out. You will plan out. So back
Okay.
then, ang goal ko is to become ano yan, glamorous grandma.
Malapit na ba? Hindi
Malapit,
pa ata.
well, papunta doon. So doon ko nakita na hindi pwedeng basta-basta lang iniisip siya, kailangan ginagawa na siya ngayon.
Ayun. Okay, tama. Hindi lang basta iniisip, dapat may action steps.
Kasi intentional siya dapat, yes.
Correct. Na-mention mo kanina yung basic. Ano ba yung basic na sinasabi mo when it comes to confidence? Ano ba dapat yung, well, hindi dapat, ano yung meron tayo as a woman?
Okay, maybe 3 things, no? Super basic. First is yung uniqueness nga natin as a woman. So, iba pa yung uniqueness as a person na you have a value, you are talented, and that will eliminate comparison. Kasi sometimes we compare ourselves to somebody else's journey. Or kung nasa man sila, kasi pwede kasing parehong middle age, pero magkaiba ng season. Some have young kids at middle age, some have a different retiring na at middle age, so magkakaiba. So yun muna, embrace yung unique value and talents. Then focus on that muna. Yun kasi yung basic eh. Sometimes we keep on trying to learn and learn and learn. Konti lang na-apply. So yung pinaka-basic talent is nakakalimutan. I mean, the ones that are unique. Second is yung choose to embrace or eliminate na lang or overcome. Choose to overcome fear of failure. Very important yan kasi if not, we will be stressed and at the same time not age gracefully. But if we welcome now at this time, yung age ng middle age ka na failure is a learning and you know how to process kasi yung process ang very important. Otherwise, a person maski hindi pa middle age, maski bata pa siya pero cannot process what's happening to them will be stressed, and alam naman natin stress kalaban ng gracefully aging yan. So
Correct. True.
So yun yung pangalawa. Pangatlo is we really need to be, another basic is the truth that we're not designed to be alone. So I've not seen a woman aging gracefully alone. Malungkot yun, no? For show lang siguro na kaya niya mag-isa because we are designed to be in a community. So we have to choose a supportive community, and for me that's basic kasi what if the people around you are the ones causing you not to age gracefully? Maybe they're the ones telling you that you are no one, 'di ba? That wala kang silbi. Tanda mo na yan lang narating mo, and we really have to choose our community in a way that it will support you and help you achieve who you want to become gracefully, di ba? At so we can be that person to someone whom will inspire also another person na mag-age gracefully.
Okay. Tony, wait lang ah. Tabingin ba yung camera ko?
Oo, nakaside
Hindi.
siya. Nakaside. Anong kinlik mo?
Wala akong ginawa. Wait lang.
Or baka tumabingi yung phone? Phone ba gamit mo?
Yeah, wait lang ah.
Ayan na, nagdadiretso na siya.
Dito sa phone ay naghang. Okay.
Ayan, enough mo na.
Oo.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Sure na.
Bakit kasi tumabigo? Okay. Hindi ko na mauulit.
Okay lang, di ba?
Ganda pa
Pwede mo
naman
naman
eh.
i-cut.
Hindi, saan ba tayo
Yung portion na ganun ka.
Oo.
O di ba
Teka.
filler ka na lang ng like mga stock photos or kung ano may sinasabi ko to.
Ganda pa naman nung sinabi mo.
Di ko na rin
Basic
baka
eh.
maulit.
Ano? Hindi mo na maulit.
Hindi, kasi ang meron lang ako like yung parang key points lang. Pero yung narrative nun, syempre, ano lang, lumalabas siya naturally.
Sige.
Try,
Okay lang,
try
ulitin
natin.
natin.
Sure.
Yung basics, so balik tayo dun sa basic. Okay, sige. Okay. So,
Wait
Tony,
lang.
you mentioned about the basics, no? Basics of confidence. Ano ba yung basic confidence or content ng confidence ng isang babae?
Okay, basic. First is, maybe I can give you three basics about confidence. But maybe before I even give you yung three basic, no, ang one truth or one myth that we need to debunk is that dinedevelop pa lang natin confidence. We already have confidence, default na yan, pinanganak tayo, and that's one truth that we really need to embrace. Ang kailangan develop natin is the extraordinary level, yung higher level of that. So,
Okay.
if we keep on saying na hindi ako confident mag-attend ng party, hindi ako confident mag-attend ng whatever that is, remove those words na kasi yun yung lalong nagpapalala na makalimutan natin that we are confident. Okay, so let's now go to the three basic that will help us go to the higher level of confidence, which is extraordinary level. Ito kasi yung ingredient to age gracefully. Number one, we need to embrace our uniqueness. So, unique value and unique talent. Very important yan. Whether it's our choice or not, marami tayong na-develop or na-gain na mga skills, including sabihin natin cooking skills or simply budgeting skills, lahat yan na-develop natin. So, yun yung exterior, yung extrinsic. Now, intrinsic, marami rin tayong natural talent na unique lang sa atin. So maybe pareho tayo nag-aalaga ng bata, iba yung implementation mo, iba rin yung implementation ko for business. Same. So embracing your unique value and talent will now help eradicate comparison. We don't want to compare, let's say, our season na hindi tayo maka-attend because we have younger kids, maka-attend ng mga networking, mga party, versus someone whose kids are already older, kaya na nila mag-attend. So embracing that will not make you feel down, and you will be happy with your current season. So yun yung first basic. Second is to choose to overcome the fear of failure. So marami tayong minsan hindi na-achieve even at our age already kasi takot, meron tayong narrative, no, repetitive statement in our mind how a failure could be scary based on past experience. So we need to do a mind shift, talagang mind shift, no, na talagang mind shift na failure is inevitable, and instead of parang blaming yourself for that kasi may pride yan na parang ayoko nagkamali, ayoko malaman niya nagkamali ako, at ayoko maalala nila yung mga pagkakamali ko. So parang past, present, and future. We have to shift our mindset na yung failure, ilista pa rin natin yan, lista natin. Pero dapat may arrow pa kanan. Ano yung learning. So nag-age tayo gracefully when we embrace na hindi naman perfect, may time na nagkakamali at nagkamali na nga. Pero ano yung learning ko dito? Either to now not go your own path na wala si God, to still surrender to Him, and then He will establish your ways, or to tell another person, no, para ma-hear out mo, tama kaya yung ginagawa ko. Or maybe we are in a bondage, yun talagang paulit-ulit na, yun yung default na ginagawa. So let's learn from it rather than remove our confidence because of the failure. So third basic, another basic, is to also embrace our design, that we are not designed to live alone, to be successful alone, to age alone. Literally, I'm not saying yung physically kasi sometimes talaga mag-isa na lang tayo sa bahay, but we need to find a supportive community. And that is a proactive thing that we can do. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, wala akong choice, sila yung kaibigan ko, wala akong choice, sila yung kasama ko. We really have to choose that. Why? Because the community, if they are the wrong ones, could be the one taking away the confidence from us by the words that are not lifting us. How I was guided is a good supportive community is to carry each other's burden, to also rebuke us, diba? To correct us, and at the same time be good influence on us. So those basic isa-isahin lang muna natin, baka kasi doon pa lang meron na tayong hindi nagagawa or hindi nangyayari sa age natin.
Mhm, mhm. Thank you. Um, you mentioned, kasi marami tayong napagdaanan, yung sabi mo kanina, failure, no? Failure is inevitable, you mentioned kanina. So, paano tayo like you mentioned also na parang yung society will tell us na dapat sa ganitong age, dapat ganito na yung narating mo or dapat ganito na yung standard of living mo. So how do we encourage women na ngayon pa nga nagsisimula or nagre-restart sila or let's say they lost everything or alam mo yun, yung nagsisimula ulit. How would you encourage them na to pursue this and wag matakot, wag makahon dun sa, nag-fail na ako before eh.
Yeah. And I can relate to that kasi I think lahat naman tayo may pinagdaan ng nag-fail naman ako before.
Yeah.
I believe basic ulit, no? Remember who you are. After all the failures, remember who you are and to whose do we belong. Very powerful kasi yun eh. The who we are, we don't lose it regardless kung successful tayo or failure tayo. It doesn't change eh. Then to whose do we belong? Si God is always a forgiving Father, diba? Compassionate, merciful, and never leaves us kapag nagpa-fail. So, when we remember those two powerful truths, sino ako, then sino si Lord, then that's the time we become humble. Kasi importante yung humility na kapag nagpa-fail tayo, na pwede pala mag-start ulit. Mahirap mag-start ulit kapag may pride, kapag may fear, but faith and humility ang nakakatulong to start again.
Yan, nice. Ganda. Parang nakaka-relate din ako. Char.
I know, right?
Okay. So let's go down to the physical naman, aging, di ba? So being an image consultant, I know you help clients with paano mag-style. Siyempre, hindi dapat marunong na tayo mag-wear ng clothes that are appropriate for our age, correct? Di ba?
Yep.
So what are some go-to fashion tips na pwede mong ibigay sa listeners natin who are middle-aged? Na pwede pa rin, that will improve their confidence.
Okay. When it comes to looks, yung principles that we hold on to as image consultant is actually timeless. So it doesn't change with age, profession or location. So ano yun, like maybe let's talk about three things, no? Color, yung color, yung body shape, and then at the same time yung appropriateness. Yun lang muna. Okay? So yung color, as we age, we also change mga details ng face. Like some of us develop dark spots, some of us also change the color of hair. So while the dark spots and the color of hair change as we age, yung pinaka-undertone natin, skin tone, hindi nagbabago yan. So just to give our listeners a tip, pero kung gusto rin nila akong bayaran dito sa tip na to, walang problema.
Yes!
Kasi ano na yan eh, sa ngayon binabayaran ngayon ng color analysis, but I'll give you free tip, okay? Most of us are Asians. Before, I used to do a lot of draping pa, diba? And I'm happy. Si Jude, no? Tsaka yung group namin, sila yung unang practice field ko. But
practice clients.
Yes, practice clients. So in time, na-develop na rin sa eyes ko and I've seen yung in general how to give this as a free tip. So most of us are Asians, which means many of us or most of us are yellowish. So now, dun pa lang, alam na natin that we are, kasi between cool and warm, ang yellowish is warm. So now that we know that maybe we're warm, then alam na lang natin maputi ba or morena, so that's spring. So that's first. Why color is important? Because when you are wearing the right color, it brightens up. Yung reflection ng light is pataas.
Right.
So, na-overpower yun na yung mga dark spots. Okay. Next is body shape. So, we change our body shape. Even me, I've noticed parang ang bilis, no? From pagpalo ng 50, 51, nag-iba lahat ata ng mga metabolism. So, sobrang nag-iiba talaga siya. Then, ang ano doon ulit is the humility to accept, no? Accept muna natin na kung naging round ka na, at least focus na tayo sa round. So, we now begin to choose clothes that are flowy. Wag na masyado yung mga heavy, yung mga texture, yung weight ng
Fabric.
fabric. And then we usually buy free sizes, 'di ba? Yung it fits all, but sometimes it looks even so big on us. So we just it very important kasi yung fabric tsaka yung fit na hindi masyadong parang lousy kasi ang nangyayari yung oversized, nagmumukha tayo nakaganon, no? And we know that ang hukot is a sign of aging. Yung hukot. But what if hindi ka pa naman hukot? We can still do straight body. So, a right fit will help us look confident because tama yung fit. Okay?
Teka lang, ayusin ko lang
Sige,
yung upo ko,
pakiayos mo
kasi
na.
takot ako.
Pero kasi 'di ba pag pag free size, minsan malaki dito, baksakin dito.
Yeah.
Comfortable naman tayo, and it's
Correct.
just that it's not maybe giving that flattering look. So yan yun.
Correct,
So
correct,
next
correct.
is appropriateness. This is the time na we need to embrace to, like for example, ang dami, di ba? yung jeans, no, not all jeans would still look fit or appropriate for our age.
Okay.
Unless we really want to play around, but maybe once or two, or depending on the occasion. So our age now calls for classic. Kung ano yung classic, no, classic cut still needs to be fitting our body shape. So yun, ano ba? At our age, I think we can already respect dress code kasi minsan sasabihin tanda na,
Okay.
hindi pa makasunod ng dress code. So kapag, di ba, pag semi-formal, pag formal, at our
Yeah.
age, we need to have at least one piece each so that all we need to do is when we receive an invitation, i-check mo na rin calendar mo if available or not. And why am I including this in this tip? You know what? We don't want to be stressed na hindi tayo maka-attend just because we don't have the right attire or appropriate
Yeah.
attire. We don't need a lot
Correct.
of clothes. We need few, but appropriate ones. So there.
Okay. Speaking of clothes, so what are sabi mo, classic, no? Ano yung basic na dapat meron tayo?
Okay, let's
Na pwede natin i-play around.
sige. Let's go with the different, at least yung tatlong levels of dress. So first level natin
Okay.
casual. So at least may isa kang jeans and basic shirt, round neck na, yun lang muna. Na short sleeves, that is flattering to your skin. Not
Okay.
automatically black or white, marami pang kulay. Enough na yon, as long as kaya mo siyang laban araw-araw, okay na siya. Yun muna. No, because the reason why I'm saying enough na yun, sometimes we buy a lot, pero wala tayong semi-formal. So, yun na muna. At least may basic tayo na,
Okay.
na complete siya. When I say complete yung capsule from shirt to jeans or maong, which we need sometimes, depende sa nature ng work natin. And then yung
Yeah.
shoes for that. So, it could be a rubber shoes, at least for relaxed.
Okay.
No? Slippers, we can always have that, but I always consider that, no, na hindi siya yung presentable sa labas. Why? When I say presentable, it needs to have a sense of preparation. Yung tipo nag-prepare kang isuot siya. Eh yung slippers,
Yeah,
parang
yeah,
ginanon mo
yeah.
lang. So parang mong dinala yung bahay sa labas. No matter how
Correct,
expensive
correct,
it is. So, okay na, may
Okay.
first set ka na. Then maybe that casual thing needs to have some covering just in case malamig. So, you need to have a light lang na material na pang third cover mo. Could be a cardigan, could be a nice jacket. Just in case lang kailangan i-level up ng konti dahil may sabi nating casual event na pupuntahan that needs you don't need to really like have a blazer. So okay na siya.
Okay.
Let me add to that bottom as well. If you want to have a skirt that is also categorized as casual, because sometimes, you know naman, as we age, no, nagbabangga na ating mga hita. So, we don't want to be pressured na parang laging kinocompress yung hita sa jeans or baka wala na magkasya. O di wag tayo ma-stress, mag-skirt tayo, di ba, kung di siya magkakasya. At least sa skirt, walang nakakaalam, ikaw lang na nagbabangga. Kasi hindi lang nakikita. Okay.
Naglaban sila sa loob.
Oo. So, okay na siya. Next, semi-formal. Semi-formal, hindi pa rin yan yung time na nagsisleeveless tayo. But if we have sleeveless for a semi-formal, make sure we have a covering. Kasi we don't want to be conscious anymore. We cover areas that we are conscious. Let's say at middle age, hindi pa rin pumuputi ang ating underarm. Huwag na tayo ma-stress doon, cover mo na lang, di ba? Or at our age, nagkakaroon na tayo ng mga, anong tawag dito, yung
flabby arms.
flabby, i-cover na lang natin kasi ma-stress tayo.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
kasi pag pinagpapaplanuhan naman natin na gusto, like me, glamorous mom, ay, ano nga, bumaba, glamorous grandma pala. So, pati yung health, no, yung trim tone, kailangan lang pag-prepare lang yan. But it's just that pinagpaplanuhan siya intentionally. So,
Okay.
ano pa sa semi-formal, it will now need a higher level of shoes. So, it could be flats pa rin, pero hindi na siya rubber shoes. So, pwede siyang leather and maybe one black, okay, or beige, or yung skin tone
Okay.
natin.
Skin
So,
tone,
okay
yeah.
na. Meron ka ng sleeveless or pants or skirt. You can actually go to the next na. By the way, sa semi-formal and even casual, nagja-jump dyan ang isang another basic, which is I forgot to mention, a polo shirt. Anything with collar. Very, very important na meron ka isang may collar. You don't
Okay.
need a lot of that, but at least meron ka. Why? May mga occasions that needs some formality na
Okay.
yung color is the one making it somehow level up. So, pwedeng white lang yan or anything light, or kung gusto mo naman dark, okay. It's just that yung
Okay.
dark kasi, pag dark kasi parang laging, ang dark kasi makes us authoritative. But at our age, marami tayong encounter that we want to be more approachable. That's why we want
Yeah.
light colors.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's a good tip. So, pag dark pala, parang nakakatakot ka.
Well, not really nakakatakot. It's more of authorities, for example. But we need that.
Yeah.
Let's say we need the authority, like we want to pitch a business, presenting a product, then darker color. Pero if it's more of a follow-up na, yung meeting or nangangamusta ka na, or Bible study, chika-chika, nakikinig ka ng problema, huwag mo naman tapatan ng darkness, di ba? Tapatan natin ng lightness of light. Yung para approachable ang natin, approachable yung dating. Next is the formal. So, formal is a different fabric na yan, mas quality yung fabric, still with a collar, still no sleeveless. And, of course, maglagay na tayo ng konting inch sa ating shoes. Why?
Okay.
Because we walk differently with an inch sa shoes. So, it now affects everything from posture to kasi pati sa walk, we need to really practice that. Huwag natin sabihin, tanda ko to, marunong na ako maglakad. No, the more we need to practice walking as we age, kasi dyan na tayo medyo nagiging hukot, no? We really need to be conscious. Nasa era na tayo na lagi tayo nagsa-cellphone, nagda-drive, nagki-keyboard. We are now forgetting to reset yung shoulders natin, dapat ibalik sa likod. Okay lang kung ano mga lumalabas diyan, bilbil or so on, basta straight. Sabi nga nila, okay lang na malaki diyan basta straight body, ang dating pa rin na mas powerful, diba? Kasi sayang naman, kasi kung papansin natin, pa naguhukot tayo, mas gumagana nga yung stomach natin, so mas lumalaki yung stomach natin. So there, yun ang mga basic pieces.
Sige. So, dark for authority and light for medyo casual, medyo conversational na meeting.
Yeah, para approachable ang dating.
Yeah, approachable ka. Okay. Tapos, always straight back. Di ba, na yung mga bilbil. Basta straight ang likod.
Plus, another thing is, I forgot to mention, hindi lang pala, kasi ang posture are 3 parts, no? So, legs, we wanna make sure we always stand on both legs. And then yung sinabi ko na nga, shoulder. Alam nyo ba nakasama rin yung head? So, we don't want to always do a head cock. So, ganito. Ang head cock is nakaganon. So, look at all your pictures natin, no, sa Facebook. Baka lahat tayo, hi, picture! Hello! Amiga! Diba? So, we always wanted, not naman stiff, no? We just want to develop, at least at this age, yung mukha naman na, yung talagang confidence. When confidence, pag nakalimutan natin yung ano ba dapat ang body language yan, lift up talaga. Pansinin natin pag malungkot tayo, pag di alam ang gagawin, kapag insecure, di ba nakaganon? Paano ganun lagi? So, it's not just lifting up, but talaga straight. We may not be really feeling it, but magugulat ka kapag ganyan ka lagi, and then you see your pictures, you see yourself in the mirror, naalala mo na, mukha akong confident, but actually we are.
Yeah.
But we just don't communicate it with our non-verbal cues.
Correct. Very practical and, ano pa bang word dyan? Very practical tips na binigay ni Tony. Okay. So, how about self-care? What does self-care play in aging gracefully?
Self-care is another basic regardless of age. So,
Mm-mm.
the earlier we do it, the better sana, no? So, self-care includes the physical, mental, and spiritual. So, physical
Mm-mm.
is the basic. We need to have yung tatlo, no? Sleep, bali rest, category kasi ng sleep. Rest,
Mm-hmm.
activity, tsaka nutrition. Yan yung sa physical.
Okay.
So, right food, right rest. Kasi, hindi lang naman sleep ang rest, yung rest from everything.
Yeah.
Kasi lalo na kung na-program tayo na lagi may ginagawa, diba? And then, of
Uh,
course, yung activity, we really, really need that. And how I wish na ako mismo alam ko na yan 20s pa lang. Kasi ang na-miss out ko na I really want to share here is sometimes binubuhos natin lahat ng lakas natin, sabihin natin bata pa tayo. Pero I think many of us can really just tell the younger ones na we don't wait for that to happen kasi baka bata, hindi mo na ma-reach yung point na you want to enjoy naman
Correct.
aging gracefully. So
Yeah.
that's one. So physically, no. Mentally, we need to have a system how to process our thoughts, feelings that leads us to deciding or leads us not to confidently age gracefully. So, we need to understand and process saan nanggagaling itong pag-iisip ko na tanda na ako, losyang na ako, or wala na
Correct.
akong saysay. Nako,
Yeah.
example, yung sa ano ko, malalaki mga anak ko, hindi na ako kinakausap. Wala na akong silbi. So, saan nanggagaling yan, yung ganong thought? And then,
Yeah,
para
yeah.
lang ma-process na bakit nagagalit ako, bakit ako, or pwede rin bakit matanda na ako, anxious pa ako, worried pa ako sa mga bayarin ko. Where is that coming from? Very, very important yan. Okay? And then, third basic, which should be the first actually, is yung spiritual. How I wish itong tatlo na to, yung physical, mental, spiritual, alam na natin lahat ng bata pa tayo. Why? Kasi hindi siya pinag-aaway o hindi rin siya binabalanse. Hindi siya yung tsaka na muna to, ito muna, no. They should be all together. That is self-care, no. When one is out of tune, everything is out of tune.
Nice, nice, nice. Do you have any specific skincare or beauty tips? Alam niyo si Tony, sorry high school pa lang kami, ganda na talaga. Talagang grupo na sila nagmagaganda. Okay, sila yung high school kami, lahat sila long hair, tapos mahaba yung skirt, tapos lahat sila magaganda. Walang tulak kabigin sa kanila, lahat sila magaganda.
Tulak kabigan? Ano ba yun?
Gano'n kay Binibini Gonzales, tulak kabigin.
Okay.
So, na-maintain mo yung, gano'n ka pa, syempre yung age, no? Obviously, lahat naman tayo nag-age. Pero na-maintain mo yung ganda ng skin mo, yung confidence level mo. Ano yung bibigay mong tips for middle-aged women? Alam mo, lalo na yung mga tamad. Ako, minsan tamad ako
sige, bibigyan kita ng tip. Kasi tamad ka. Hindi, sabi mo yun. Okay, okay, sige, I'll share yung tried and tested na libre. Tsaka siguro yung what they need to invest on din. Kasi meron din hindi libre. Okay, sige.
Correct.
Okay, first, I'd like to, okay lang ba konting kabigyabang?
Okay, sige. Buhat ng bangko.
Sige, wala pa akong kahit anong laser, wala pa akong kahit anong lift, wala pa akong any procedure on my face. Kaya nga, abot na sa screen, diba? Left to right, diba?
Yeah.
Okay, wala pa yan. But at least I'm happy that the effort done on the early years na nagmamanifest na. So, ano yung libre na yon? First, drink a lot of water and it's not 8 glasses. I learned this somewhere, I forgot na for some reason sinunod ko talaga siya na whatever your kilogram is times 0.07. So I have to multiply kung tama ba 07 or 007. So that time, pa-calculator nga. So that time, 3 liters hanggang sa bumibigat ako. So parami. Sandali, I wanna make sure na tama yung tip natin. So, assuming ito ako times, sige lang, yan ako lang. Okay, so ano pala siya? 0.007. So, sorry. Ang ni-multiply ko kasi is yung, but anyway,
so it's your weight in kilos?
So, times 0.07. So in my case, wag nyo nang i-work back yung computation, I'm 4 liters. So weight ko ngayon, I'm 4 liters. But I started with 2 and 3 and it was really a serious thing that I do. What do I mean? If let's say I'm traveling far, which means I hirap mapawiwi sa daan, I have to also adjust waking up earlier kasi 1 hour more or less natutunan ko lang naman yan kasi 'di ba pa nagpapa-medical exam ang tindi ng mga iniinom pero 1 hour ka naghihintay. So I intentionally do a lot of drinking water. We were talking about clear so hindi colored, hindi juice. So that's one. And then I intentionally sleep talaga. I make it, I have to study how to sleep. Si Jude knows how stressful my life back then. So I cannot sleep. I even became alcoholic. I have to drink pa noon para lang makatulog. So now I'm able to do it because nag-attend din ako ng it's like a seminar, and you know what? The seminar taught somehow taught me a lesson na huwag munang magbilang. Kasi nagbibilang na ako kaya pala hindi ako makatulog na, 10 na, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, stop counting muna yung number of hours, which supposedly kasi is 8 hours. Instead, make sure that you just sleep on the same time. Let's say every night. So, whatever happens, ang i-focus ko muna is anong oras ako mag-sleep. Why? Kasi from that hour din ako magka-count pabalik kung kailan yung huling caffeine ko. Yung coffee or tea. So, kahit sobrang favorite pa yan o libre yan, I won't take it if because I'm sensitive talagang maano yung caffeine sa akin. So, yun. And because of that too, walang blue light ng 2 hours. So, sobrang sacrifice yan. Walang Netflix in 2 hours. walang cellphone, walang. But, pag nasanay ka na, we choose our hard We choose our hard. Yeah. So, well, hindi pa naman siguro nagmamanifest sa iba, no? Depende kung younger pa. Pero we don't want to reach that point na parang hindi mo na alam saan pa ilalagay yung wrinkles mo. Simulan na natin ang damihan natin tubig, tulog, plus yung food that we eat. Very, very important talaga yun. I'm not saying perfectly I'm eating healthy, but I just know na mali kung ito yung gagawin ko, ito yung mangyayari. Yun, then, and yun yung mga free. In fact, dyan pa lang maisip ko na may makikita na kayo improvement. Of course, libre din na mag-ingat sa kaharian ng araw, di ba? So, I know yung iba, lalo na nung sa panahon ng younger tayo, sabi, arte mo naman, ayaw maarawan. But it's true, it's really true, no? So, ang dami ng libreng payong, please. Yung iba giveaway, kunin at gamitan. So, wag mahiya magpayong because the heat is just different now. Kasi para magpapaaraw tayo, tapos maya magrereklamo pa, tapos gagastos pa. Why not magpayong ka na lang para hindi ka na lang gumastos sa dark spot? Because it's really, for me, it's real. Alam ko yun na yung araw is not good for our skin. So, yun yung libre. Okay? Sorry, may isa pang libre pala. Nakalimutan ko. Do not sleep nang hindi malinis yung skin. So, very, very important thing. Okay. So, ano naman yung mga hindi libre? So, we need to always have a sunscreen. Lagi yan. Lagi talaga. Diba? Kung ang pag-ibig lagi, kabiguan lagi, pati rin sunscreen. Lagi. Okay, then, moisturize. Saan sanay ang skin natin? Sa serum ba? Sa oil? O sa cream? Ako kasi, serum ang mas ginagamit ko. And then, yun. So, may daytime, may nighttime. Mas mag-invest tayo sa skincare kaysa sa makeup.
Tama, kasi yun ang basis. Yun ang, what do you call that? Yun yung palette mo yung skin. Kung natin pag-usapan yung skin dahil medyo nakasaktan ako.
Teka, meron ka sa skin. Yung soap sa body, hindi siyang soap sa skin. Sa face. Iba yung sa face.
Correct. Iba.
Yeah.
Okay. Move on na tayo. Baka kung saan pa tayo mapunta, masasaktan naman kalooban ko. Okay. So let's move now to you mentioned kanina yung inner confidence. Okay. Can you talk about more, saan ba nang gagaling yung inner confidence ng babae? Especially middle age.
In inner confidence, 2 things. I-sandwich natin yan. Clarity and legacy. No? So, clarity, parang yung binanggit ko kanina, very important that you are very clear of who we are. yung mga basics, no? Ano yung talent mo at ano yung value mo para you you can hone that clarity, yung identity.
Okay.
So, yung legacy mo naman, bakit inner siya, no? Kasi yung decision mo is coming from an inner you, eh. Let's say, di ba nga, abundance of the heart, speak of. So, pati
Yeah.
activities mo, yung day-to-day habit mo is coming from the inner you, from the heart, eh. So, that's why very important talaga. Pag nawala ka, sino ba yung gusto mong, ano ba yung gusto mong maalala nila sa'yo? And ang inspiration ko dito sa inner confidence na to is my mom, no? Nung namatay siya, grabe yung mga naririnig kong ganda
Kwento.
ng eulogy sa kanya. And yet, na-observe ko siya na hindi niya halos naalagaan yung sarili niya when it comes to, yan, yung beauty and
Okay.
self-care. So, now, kaya nga talaga nag-push ako mag-image consultant na kaya naman palang pareho. Nag-create ka na ng impact sa buhay ng iba and at the same time, naalagaan mo pa yung sarili mo. And that inner motivation, very important, yung inner intention, is the one creating your schedule every day, your priorities, your conviction. So, inner confidence only becomes confidence kapag may clarity tayo.
Okay, nice. I like that. Clarity and legacy. Okay. So, do you know or have you met any women na much older than you na masasabi mo they are aging or they age gracefully aside from your mom na mention mo yung mommy mo? Meron ka bang older women?
Yeah. Sa spiritual family, yes. And then sa dalawang mentor ko, isa sa speaking, isa sa image. They are the ones who actually enlightened me with this, no? Ang maganda lang pag may mentor tayo, may nanggaling na sila at may
Correct.
kasama pang warning, no? Hindi lang inspirasyon ang binibigay sa atin, warning din. And maganda kasi pag pumili rin tayo ng mentor for aging gracefully, is somehow medyo aligned yung challenges nyo. Kasi like that, no, may mga uniqueness din ang bawat tao. So we wanted to get a mentor na somehow nadaanan niya yung challenges na pinagdadaanan mo.
Para may connection kayo, no?
Plus, yung sasabihin niya rin sa'yo yung mga like yung maling path na dinaanan niya. So nawawarn na rin tayo na may free will of choice naman tayong i-follow or not. Pero ang nakadaan lang doon, parang mapa yan, ang nakadaan lang doon ang pwede magsabi kung baku-baku dyan, malalim dyan, basa dyan. So, really nice to have a mentor who went through or who's been through yung path na pinagdadaanan natin ngayon.
Okay, thanks. Sige. Patapos na tayo.
Talaga? Hindi ko napansin.
A few more, sige. If you could give one piece of advice to women who are, struggling with tumatanda na ako, yung parang hirap silang tanggapin or, yun nga, mention ko kanina, yung parang hirap magsimula ulit. Or yung to regain that self-confidence. What would that be? What would that advice be?
Ilang words ang pwede? Anyway, advice naman. Sige. Okay, so if I would give this one powerful piece of advice to women struggling with aging, confidence, first is to, walang pala, no? It would be to embrace your journey and celebrate your unique qualities. Kasi for me, aging is not about losing value, yung saysay, but it's about gaining wisdom and depth, no? Yung kung gaano kalalim na yung na-experience mo. So, you wanted to focus on what you love about yourself and not what you want to have from others. So, focus on what you love about yourself and continue to invest in your passions and well-being. I'm sure as we age, yung passion natin hindi naman nawawala. So, we surround ourselves with supportive people who will uplift us with that passion, with your uniqueness, and remember that your worth is not defined by age, but by the richness of your experience. So, let's go out, experience people, experience failure, experience success. And yun yung story mo embrace every stage of life with pride and self-love. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I love it. Sabi mo, aging, yung depth,
It's not
yung
about
lalim
losing
ng
value.
pinagdaanan mo, no?
Yeah.
At saka embrace mo yung,
Yung wisdom na mga nagain
yeah,
natin
yeah,
out
yeah.
of that. Yeah.
Correct, correct. Nag-age ka na, no, Tony?
Yeah, gumaganda na sagot ko, sis.
Kung alam niyo
Diba?
lang yung mga conversation namin noon ni Tony, tumatanda na talaga ako, may
Mm-mm.
nagmamature ako. Dapat lang.
Mm-mm.
Diba?
Naging teacher,
Dapat.
bigla. Dapat lang. Kundi, I'll spank you. Yeah.
Okay, sige. So, my last question is, what's the best thing about being a middle-aged woman today, now?
Well, ang pagyaman. Pero wait, sandali lang. Siyempre, mas malalim yung pagyaman version ko. Okay, the best thing about being a middle-aged woman is the rich blend of experience, confidence, yung self-awareness that we gained about us.
Mhm.
Kasi ito yung stage wherein we now gain clearer sense of our real value, our
Okay.
strength and passion, which allows us to now make empowered, authentic choices. O, diba? Powerful yan.
Ganda. What,
Diba?
what, what a way to end this episode. And, ano na tayo, no? Hindi, sabi mo kanina, hindi naman sa nagbubuhat tayo ng bangko. But we've reached a certain level of confidence and wisdom. Now that we're in middle age, and you mentioned din kanina, it's now time also to mentor other women who are younger or who went through what we went through. Sabi mo nga, maipapasa mo yung, wag dyan, wag ka dumaan dyan kasi pinagdaanan ko yan, hindi maganda. So now is also the time to mentor other women.
Yeah, you
Okay,
need to be
before-
heard. Everyone, all of us needs to be heard. Walang small or big story.
Correct. Yeah, correct, correct. Before I let you go, I want you to, mention mo kanina yung color analysis. Okay? So, how will they, kung interested sila doon, if nilang nila narinig yung color analysis, ano ba yun? And then how can they avail of your services? And what other services do you offer?
So, if they need a speaker or trainer for their professional development, they can call me directly. Of course, wala namang indirectly. 0917 sorry for that. 0917-138-8638 or visit my website www.tony.ph.
Okay. And then you do also the color analysis. Doon na sila mag-ano, no? Doon na sila
Yeah.
mag-i-inquire.
Meron din
kung ano
pala
mga
akong social
services.
media, of course. So they can
Oo
visit
nga,
my
yeah.
they can
Follow
visit
Tony.
yung
Sige.
Tony Miranda Facebook, pwede rin LinkedIn, and they can send a message there also aside from the cell phone.
Okay. Thank you very much, Tony. Alam niyo pa rin, ulit kami nag-usap. Tagal-tagal na namin supposed na mag-meet because she's so busy with her talks and her seminars and her training. So, thank you very much for spending an hour or almost an hour with me
Yeah.
today. Thank you, Tony.
Thank you, Jude.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wait lang. Oy, ayaw mamatay.
98% uploading.
Alam mo ba yung ano?
Paano mo
Alam
siya
mo ba yung...
in-end? May
Ha?
button ka dyan. Baka dito hindi ko nakita. Nasa iyo yung button ng end.